This holiday season, go the extra mile and bring your displays together beautifully with this remote-controlled outdoor power outlet yard stake with built-in photocell timer from PLT. Designed to blend in seamlessly with your lawn and greenery, this 6-outlet power stake lets you power up to 1,875 watts of lights. Say goodbye to bulky extension cords covering your yard. This yard stake is easy to install and sets up in a matter of minutes. Install the stake into the ground and connect it to an outlet using the power cord. Next, open the waterproof covers and plug in your lights. Finally, press the power button on the stake to turn on your lights. You can also turn the lights on or off from the comfort and warmth of your home with the included remote control. Find these and other high-quality Christmas decorations by calling 855-948-5079 or shopping at 1000bulbs.com.